Hello again, folks. So we are now at what I think is the coolest spot that I've come across on the Pottsville branch of the Lehigh Valley Railroad so far. Again, this is a spot that we've been to before, so some of you may have seen this, but we'll do this one maybe with a little more coverage this time. So again, we're on the Lehigh Valley Railroad, Pottsville branch. We're just west of the little village of Roush's in Schuylkill County, PA. We're up on a pretty substantial grade. I'd say this is a good 30 feet, 30-foot grade probably. So we're approaching the Little Schuylkill River, where the Lehigh Valley Railroad had a bridge crossing the Little Schuylkill. And what's left of the bridge is just absolutely incredible. Now there's no iron work, no steel work, but the abutments and the piers remain, and it's definitely one of my favorite things. When I first came upon this one about a year ago, oh god, I was just thrilled. As you can see, we're a good ways up. Just gorgeous. And you've got a bridge pier here. We're going to go down to that. Little Schuylkill. All right, let's work our way down so you can get a better look at what's going on here. Now it's more overgrown this time than it was last time we were here. It was a little earlier in the spring season. We're well into the spring now. I'm gonna have to jump down, folks, so hang on one second. Okay. Oh, I got a nice handful of that. Ah, well. Okay. Let's work our way down through the poison. This thing is just too cool. Would have been double tracked going across here, I believe. Definitely wide enough for a double track. Okay. And we're gonna have to backtrack and come down. We have to come down the dirt. Sorry about that. Let's see if we can get through here. Okay, this will work, I think. Well, we don't make things easy on ourselves sometimes as humans, do we? Okay, now. Very rudimentary construction on this side. And then you have your quarried stone on this side. Just gorgeous. Wow. So that's a good ways up there. That's probably a good 30-foot drop coming down. Let's go check out this this bridge support, or I'm sorry, this bridge pier. There's some, could be fisherman trails or game trails back here. Okay, here's your middle. It's like an Aztec temple. Just awesome. Okay, it's a little thick in here. We'll do our best. Alright, so there is the western bridge abutment. I've never been on that side. The land over there appears to be farmland, so I've never pushed the issue. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. And we'll just stick with this. So there's your bridge support pier. And again, that's such a huge drop. That's got to be 40 feet on that side. Look, well, it's obviously the same size as this over here, but it just appears to be a much larger drop from top to riverbed there. Get down in here a little bit more, I guess. Up to the water's edge. Okay. Gorgeous. And there's your other side. Yeah, I wish I could get you a better look at that one, but it's just not in the cards. So this is going to be the last video for the Lehigh Valley Pottsville branch for this week. Now, there's a gentleman named Todd who recently reached out to me, and him and I are going to get together, and he's going to show me some good spots west of here, because from here on, I've seen nothing yet. I know where the bed goes, but I've never had foot on it. I've never looked for culverts, anything like that, the stuff that we normally look for. I don't know where any of that is, so I'm going to be joining up with Todd, and we're going to come up with a plan to get us from this area up into Schuylkill Haven, and then across 61 to where the Pottsville branch then crosses over the Minersville branch of the Reading and Northern Railroad. Could be a couple of weeks till we get it all wrapped up. Not sure exactly what's going on next week with it being Mother's Day. I have baseball tickets for the weekend to take my mother and my wife. But perhaps next Saturday, weather permitting, we'll do something, but I don't know if it's going to be Lehigh Valley Railroad related. So I just wanted to get that disclaimer out there. But we are nowhere near done with the Pottsville branch, but it might be going on hiatus for a week or two. Just fabulous. All right, let's try to get back up top and we'll wrap up the video. And then I need to get the heck out of here before I get some buckshot in my butt, which I don't want. Okay, now you get to hear me huff and puff. I apologize. I don't know if we can hop up on these stones, which I think we can. All right, cool. Just bear with me for 1 second. Okay, wonderful. And here we are. Okay, folks, thank you very much for coming along. I don't know if I'm doing another video today or not. So if by chance I don't, everybody take care, be safe, and I will see you all in the very near future. All right, thanks everybody, bye-bye.